Alright, most of the YouTube viewers seem to prefer no intro, so we'll get right into this one. I did 4 pumpkins total. This was the first of them, also the largest. And I was surprised I didn't really find that many seeds in this one. This next one here was a different kind of pumpkin. I think it would be one that would be used for baking. The flesh of the pumpkin was a little bit softer and the seeds were a little smaller. This one had a ton of seeds in it, which you'll see here in a second. Now, I wasn't trying to get all of this stuff off the seeds initially. I was just trying to get some of the biggest stuff, especially the stuff that I knew would not fit through the colander holes, which maybe were a little less than a 1/4 inch big at the top there. In this part, I'm just trying to really get most of that pulp stuff to go down through the bottom of the colander and pick out most of the big stuff, these big chunks in that. Now, you could do this inside also. I read a lot of people do this inside in the sink with either with just under the water or under the spray function in their sink. But doing it outside, you have a lot of water pressure with your hose and you don't have to worry about making a mess either. So I would say do this part outside. And total, I would say that it took maybe 6 or 7 minutes to get them rinsed from the beginning to the end. I obviously cut that down quite a bit for the video. I was also a lot more particular than some in terms of how much of the pumpkin I tried to get off. Some people would have probably stopped before this last step, but I was trying to get them real clean. Alright, so then I filled a bowl with water and added about a teaspoon of salt and mixed in some rib seasoning also, just to get them soaking in that. Soaking the seeds helps your body to absorb the nutrients a little bit better, and also it makes the seeds a little bit easier to digest. And plus you have the added benefit of the flavor, whatever you're putting in the water then. In this case I added salt. Then I dried them out for a few hours, mixing them up every hour or so. And then divided up into 2 bags because I was worried they wouldn't all fit nicely on a baking sheet. And I added about a teaspoon of oil and then a quick shake of this salt here. And then they were ready to bake, which I did at 300 degrees for initially just 15 minutes here, and then I turned them over like this. And then I put them back in and kept a real close eye on them, and I believe I baked for another 7 or 8 minutes, but it might depend on your oven a little bit. Just wait till they start getting just golden brown. And when they came out, they were crackling real good, like you can hear in this shot. And I just gave them a quick shake of salt and also some sugar, which was a nice touch. And that's that. I hope this was helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.